Hi again. Now that everything is working after lots of troubleshooting, lots of problems, this extended lab is working. We have centrally managed gateway, which manage the gateway itself and small office at home, both of them with Site2Site VPN. Over the Site2Site VPN, Win10 VM, 10 RDP Win10 VM over the Site2Site and can use the internet for surfing. Uh, let's review the configuration. We have this main firewall. We configure a new firewall. The one interface is the IP, the main IP. Hardware 1550. Right now, only firewall and IPsec. At the topology, I configure this one external and this one, this net only. At the VPN manually defined, I want to configure VPN only for this subnet. Just this. What else did I change? I added to the Site2Site with home. Here it's the default. Let's go to this one. This one is the management interface. It's the main IP is the management. I changed the IPsec link selection to initiate the IPsec from the one to the to the home office 10.5.2.3 via this one. And I've changed the VPN domain. I want only 10.5.4. I don't want that this home PC can connect over the tunnel with the host PC, just with this one. Okay, what else did I change? Here it was configured already. The anti-spoof. We have two subnet on this interface, the external, the WAN interface, and the LAN behind the firewall, the remote firewall. Okay, let's go to the VPN community. Because it's centrally managed, everything I configure here will be pushed to both gateway, center gateway, the gateway management, gateway home, satellite. I configure those parameters for encryption. It should be the same in both sides in order to work. Because of centrally managed, it will be pushed together to both of them. I configure permanent tunnel because I want the tunnel to be up. We can see it from here. Permanent tunnel. Now it's up. We don't need shared secret because they are both on the same management server. And we disable NAT because I want this IP to communicate with this IP, not above the one. On the policy, I configure host PC can manage both of the gateways. On HTTP, it's clear test, no VPN. The Win10 VM3 can manage the home gateway because if the tunnel is down or wait 1 minute, if the tunnel is down, the VPN is down, I cannot communicate with the home, so I can come to the home office and connect via the laptop. and manage it. I allow RDP from home to the office via the Site2Site VPN, only RDP and FTP. We have two RDP, TCP and UDP, because in Windows 10 they use both. And we allow to the Windows 10 VM3 to get anywhere else in the internet on HTTP, HTTPS, and domain UDP. The application control doesn't run right now on the gateway, so the gateway at home can go, as you can see, we didn't allow the blade, but we can do it later. And the FTP, this one is different than this one because this one is clear text, no VPN, and this one is over VPN. We can see the log. We have FTP over the tunnel, Site2Site VPN home, this one on the main site, and this one on the home site. Both of them pass the traffic on the tunnel, and we have remote desktop. As you can see, UDP also, the Windows 10. That's it. This one on GWM and this one on the home. I think that's it. More than an hour, lots of troubleshoots, but it was really fun. See you in my next video. I will try to access the home PC from the laptop via remote access VPN. It means with the mobile blade, I will connect home and then I will connect to my home PC. It will not be easy, I promise you. But there is one trick that I already lost my mind on it. So it will work in 10 minutes Bandicam. See you.